So I have some tools picked out. We've got gasoline, fuel line, of course WD-40, some gloves, a rag, assorted wrenches, pliers, and pipe thread tape. I'm also going to grab a carburetor screwdriver. Here lies Kentwood. He's a 1974 Ford F-350 custom grain truck with 360 FE motor, 4-speed manual transmission, and front disc brakes. Not to mention 42,000 original miles, allegedly. Okay. Glove up, mother glovers. Sounds like there's a bumblebee trying to live in this thing. I hope he has a summer home, because this ain't it. I'm just not sure if there's a Teflon tape on these threads or not. What I see a lot is people putting Teflon tape on these flare nuts, which maybe it lubricates the threads slightly, but all the sealing on this happens in this flare. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna fuel here, fuel line. We'll hook it up to the pump. Well, what I also want to do is remove this power steering belt. This truck has an issue with the power steering leaking, and it has no fluid in it right now. And I don't have any fluid, so I'm just gonna disconnect the pump so it's not trying to churn anything up. There she is. Still got some life left in it. Not much though. That was professional. I better snug up the power steering pump now before it rattles apart. The distributor vacuum advance. Oh man. F-350 vacuum advance. It's only slightly chewed on by mice. If you've never tried to put a vacuum line on this port of a Motocraft 2100/2150, you should go buy one, or an old vehicle that has one of these carburetors, specifically one that needs the hose replaced, and then just change it and just enjoy the experience of fishing around in there. I'm feeling it. Well, I'm really feeling it now. Maximum safety. It's not all underhood Molotov, I swear. Anyway. I guess we should see if it cranks up. Uh-oh. Molotov's alive. Anyway. listen for accelerator pump. Oh, yeah. She's got fuel. Live, damn you. Oh, okay. We're not gonna let it die. Whoa. Okay. I feel like. Yeah. See if he'll move without becoming a fire. The key is to drive smoothly.